Are you looking for the best bowling bags? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best bowling bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosynoy Bowling Backpack with Shoe Compartment. The Bosynoy Bowling Backpack is designed to keep your bowling essentials organized and protected. With multiple pockets, you can easily store your bowling ball, shoes, and other accessories without any hassle. The padded compartment ensures your bowling ball remains safe from damage, while a buckle adds stability during transport. The dedicated shoe compartment accommodates larger sizes up to US men's 16, keeping your shoes separate and odor-free. Additionally, the padded shoulder strap and breathable mesh back enhance comfort, making it easy for you to carry your gear wherever you go. What we like: great quality materials, spacious with multiple compartments, comfortable to carry, durable and sturdy design, affordable and stylish. What we don't like: belt buckle may scratch ball. Number 2. Mangrove 2-Ball Bowling Bag. The Mangrove bowling bag is designed to make transporting your gear easy and efficient. It features a spacious main compartment that comfortably holds 2 bowling balls, ensuring they are well protected during travel. The ventilated pocket can accommodate shoes up to size 16, keeping them separate and fresh. With high-quality wheels, you can enjoy a smooth, quiet rolling experience, making it simple to move your bag around. Additionally, the padded carry strap and retractable handle offer versatility in transport, allowing you to quickly load the bag into your vehicle or roll it along with ease. What we like: sturdy construction, ample storage space, good price value, easy to roll, roomy shoe compartment. What we don't like: side pocket could be deeper. Number 3. Pyramid Prime Double Roller Bowling Bag. The Pyramid Double Roller Bag is designed for bowlers who need convenience and durability. Its sturdy 600 denier polyester construction ensures long-lasting use, while the wide 3-inch rubber wheels provide smooth maneuverability, making it easier to transport your gear. The extendable handle reaches 21.5 inches, allowing you to adjust it for comfortable pulling. Additionally, the bag features a separate compartment that can hold bowling shoes up to size 16, keeping them protected and organized. This bag is perfect for those who want a reliable and user-friendly option for their bowling needs. What we like: durable and well-constructed. Great color options available. Spacious for accessories. Smooth zippers and wheels. Convenient telescoping handle. What we don't like: limited storage for accessories. No straps for ball security. Number 4. GoHimal Double Roller 2-Ball Bowling Bag. Introducing the GoHimal Double Roller Bowling Bag, a must-have for any bowling enthusiast. This convenient bag features a creative design with molded ball cups and a padded divider, providing optimal protection for your 2 bowling balls. The wider rubber wheelbase ensures enhanced stability and maneuverability, making it easy to transport your gear. With a retractable handle that extends to 21.5 inch, you can adjust the height to your preference and keep it securely in place. The separate shoe compartment, with its zippered top and air vents, can accommodate bowling shoes up to men's size 15. Additionally, the bag offers ample storage space, including an interlayer with a mesh pocket for your wallet or cards, and a front pocket for your towel, push, wrist guard, and other essentials. Made with sturdy 600D polyester Oxford material and a high-quality zipper, this bag is built to last. Choose from 4 stylish colors and stay organized with the GoHimal Double Roller Bowling Bag. What we like: great price. Holds 2 bowling balls. Spacious shoe compartment. Durable construction. Easy to roll. What we don't like: minor drag with wheels. Handle feels somewhat cheap. Number 5. Mangrove Bowling Ball Bag with Padded Holder. The Mangrove Bowling Ball Bag is designed to carry all of your bowling equipment in one convenient bag. The bag features a main compartment for one bowling ball with a padded foam holder to protect it from damage. The bag also has two side pockets with ventilation vents for a pair of shoes, up to men's size 14, and other gear, as well as a front zipper pocket for your personal items. The adjustable shoulder strap and padded Velcro tote handle make it easy and comfortable to carry. The bag is made with durable 600D fabric and reinforced stitching, and has anti-slip bases for stability. What we like: ample storage space, good quality materials, comfortable shoulder strap, great value for price. What we don't like: bottom feels a bit flimsy, slightly saggy with heavy ball. Number 6. Pyramid Path Pro Deluxe Tote. The Pyramid Deluxe Tote is designed for bowlers who value durability and style. Its sturdy construction, made from 600/840 denier material, ensures that the tote will withstand regular use while looking vibrant. The adjustable padded strap and webbed nylon handles provide comfort during transport, making it easy to carry your gear. With oversized side pockets, this tote can accommodate shoes up to US men's size 15, ensuring that you have everything you need for your bowling sessions. Its compact dimensions make it easy to fit in your vehicle or ball locker, adding to its convenience. What we like: durable fabric material, spacious side pockets, strong zippers, removable ball base, great value for money. What we don't like: side pockets may be small, large shoes might not fit. Number 7. CAB 55 2-Ball Bowling Bag. The CAB 55 bowling bag is designed to keep your bowling essentials safe and organized. It holds 2 bowling balls securely, thanks to its durable polyester material and a thick foam base that minimizes movement during transport. You will appreciate the multifunctional front pockets for storing your phone and keys, as well as the large mesh side pockets for your water bottles. Additionally, the bag features a waterproof compartment that accommodates bowling shoes up to men's size 16, so you can easily carry everything you need for a successful game. What we like: spacious interior, goodwill mobility, solid construction, perfect fit for supplies, great gift option. What we don't like: flimsy wheels, handle feels cheap,